Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we are about to eat our delicious food we prepared. This is our juice, okay? So this is our pepper soup, spear fish pepper soup. This is our pepper soup. Watch out for my previous video how we prepare this delicious pepper soup. And this is our juice. Is on my YouTube channel how we prepare it, okay? This juice will clean your system, okay? It's very good. I will put, okay, the baby is a physio. Yeah, take Manila. So we are going to take the fish. Manela koyu, je majele eto. So this one is for mommy and daddy, okay? Come and join us with this delicious pepper soup. Philip, you want to eat? Lips. Come and join us. So.
Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. In today's video we're about to eat our
Gargantua.
Gargantua
Giant fish.
A giant is still gargantua. Animals, seafood, sea fish, spear fish, okay? If you have not watched if you have not watched how we prepared it, it's on our YouTube channel. So this is the pepper soup version of it, okay? So beside us we have our wonderfully made juice, homemade juice, no preservative, no sugar, no water, just 100% juice, okay? Wow. Please watch how this is prepared and try to do it for your family. Prepare it for your family. Okay. You drop it there. Okay. So beautiful people, you are invited. Thank you Jesus for this gargantua meal. Okay, this is just one portion of the fish. Okay, it's too big. It's about 5.5, more than 5 feet, tall. Okay, so Anki, Manila, you need Anki. Take. All right, beautiful people. Thank you.
Come and join us.
You are invited.
God bless our viewers.
Yes, so bless them with their own heart desires. Okay. For now, this is our own heart desires. Okay. This is a spear fish. Beautiful people. This meal, this pepper soup This fish is just like meat too.
It's no oil. No oil.
It's not having oil. Seafood. Manuela, this is seafood. Manuela, we have unwanted visitors. See, use one hand and be chasing them. Then too, they are hungry.
Eat fish. More, Jack.
Use your hand. Use your hand. Don't let it. It's not a crime to use hand to eat.
So, what's your leg go? This is pepper.
Manuela, please. Don't put hand in your face. Oh.
Philip.
Once in a while, it's good to relax with your family with a delicious pepper soup like this. Where's that infant? All these flies, they are just
Passable our pepper soup.
I'm sure the flies, they cannot sleep. Motinho. Viewers, I'm getting satisfied though. This fish. At first I was thinking that even the one we ate yesterday, we couldn't finish it. Give Philip that one.
Continue just watch it. We have to eat your fish. Take this one.
Mama.
Pepper soup goes along with juice. We use the juice to step down any hot sensation we may be experiencing. Okay, let me top up mine. Please like, share, comment. Once again, this juice is very is a multi-purpose juice, fruit juice. Okay, how we prepared it is on our YouTube channel. We have prepared similar one like this, but this is different. Wow. Philip, stop that now. You have enough. Yeah. Ooh.
Shake this.
I have Philip take.
Okay.
Auntie. They are hungry. They are hungry too. Manuela, chase them now. Don't just take juice. Wow.
The fish get flesh.
This kind of fish is not like it's like ajebota fish. Everywhere full, loaded. Full. This is what Yoruba people call jewunsoke. The fish, everywhere is loaded. It's not some fish where you eat some parts will be bony. Why? This one flesh.
No bone.
No, it has bone. That's the spinal cord. Yeah, This is the bone of the spinal cord of the spearfish. The spinal cord self, look how it is. Like arrow, like weapon. Hey, please, beautiful people, you are invited once again. Philip, take this. Bone? Give him now if he can eat it. Manana.
Yeah, eat fish.
Please like, share, comment.
Philip, oh my island.
Oh, Philip, you can't handle that bone. No? The combination of juice and pepper soup, they work in tandem, paripa soup. Philip, easy. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah.
Pepper.
Pepper. Be careful with your eyes, eh? This it's because of them we put the farm by the corner.
Philip,
wow.
The pepper soup is medicinal.
Oh, very medicinal. This juice, wow. That shop made it to be thick.
Wow. Want to go?
Oh yeah, come and say bye bye to our viewers. Oh. Say bye bye, beautiful people. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah.